Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If your website refuses to publish or the publish button spins forever, fails silently or shows an error, you are not alone. Okay, so in 2026 most GoDaddy publishing issues come from account status, content conflicts, or browser related problems, not broken sites. So the good news, almost all cases are fixable in minutes if you follow the right order. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix site not publishing in GoDaddy Websites Builder 2026 like a pro. So check GoDaddy service status. Okay, so before changing anything, confirm GoDaddy isn't having issues. So log into GoDaddy, check the dashboard for warnings, maintenance notices. If GoDaddy is down, publishing will fail no matter what you do. Refresh, you can refresh and try publishing again. So sound basic, but it works often. So refresh the editor, click publish again, wait at least 60 seconds, and publishing can lag during peak times. You have to know that. You can switch to desktop. So if you are on mobile or tablet, move to a desktop, laptop browser. Best browsers, Chrome or Edge. Avoid in-app browsers or outdated Safari. So desktop publishing is more stable in 2026. You can clear browser cache or use incognito too. So browser cache conflicts are a top cause. Try one of these: open incognito and private window. So log in and publish from there, or clear cache and cookies and restart browser. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.